5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Manish, go.
We are finally doing the test, or maybe we have one viewer.
Whatever you are.
We have to
Welcome to the show. It's great to have you. This is the premiere of the Maike and Lilli Show.
Yay! It's Destiny, that SH stays for
Show.
So that's why we have the Maike and Lilli Show. Yay! The main idea is as well that you guys get to know us a bit better. So we are not only the girls on stages and in videos, but we really want to show you who we are, how we are, and that we are really fun. So this will be also having a little entertaining aspect as well.
So we're combining multiple streams. So the entrepreneurs world, the not entrepreneurs world, the female, the male world, the serious business talk, and the fun part. And we're going to do this from now on twice a month. On the 14th, which is our lucky day, and I'm sure we're going to share a bit of more insights why the 14th is our lucky number, and the last day of the month.